Hello to all viewers of the YouTube channel Electrician 1. Here we are in a video where we will see how to connect a one-way switch. We are leading the neutral conductor directly to the consumer, that is our light bulb, from the source, where we have phase and zero. Next, we are leading the phase conductor first to the switch, then after the switch, to our light bulb. So this here marked by the dotted line is our one-way switch. We note that there are two connection points. A phase input and a phase output to the light bulb. This is the phase conductor and this is the neutral conductor. Now let's see how it looks on our model. This is our one-way switch, which we will now open and see where its connection points 1 and 2 are. Here is our switch, with its terminals 1 and 2. With this switch, the contact is not made through screws, but through a specific mechanism for connection as presented here. We will press here and insert only our conductor and we have made the contact. It is the input contact, and on the opposite side, we will also connect the output conductor that we will lead to the light bulb. We will put all that back into our switch, the switch housing, and close the switch. Now, we will connect the circuit, according to the previously shown diagram. We are leading the neutral conductor directly to the light bulb. The phase conductor first goes to the switch, and from the switch to the consumer, that is, to our light bulb. This place here represents the junction box. So the two-core conductor, phase and the neutral conductor, leads to the junction box. A two-core conductor also goes from the junction box to the switch, and the phase is led to the switch, and returns back to the junction box, and then the phase extends to the light bulb. And the neutral conductor goes directly through the junction box to the light bulb. Now we will see how it works. We can see that a one-way switch turns the light bulb on and off. It is mandatory that the phase conductor goes through the switch. Thanks for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and invite them to subscribe to the YouTube channel Electrician 1. Kind regards until the next video.